WYM, living there in UIM?
No scenario, because after I leave UIM, we started with a new club association and the team to organize the race, which is I leave for another race.
Okay. Another question is, how do you find all the facilities and the new meeting point in Greece for our first new race?
I think so. Facility in general, location is perfect. There is some problem with a small issue which we don't need it is happen, but definitely there is might be there is a little bit of miscommunication, and we wish to be next time we come here, all this problem is resolved. But the location is perfect, Marina is perfect. People very, very friendly, very smart, we are in the right place in the world because this is the location of the water and water sport. Everything is perfect. Special small facility to be provided. We are in the good standard.
Thank you. Thank you for that. So, one last thing before the race.
Yeah.
How do you see how do you feel that people will be managing it? How do they attract more fans next year? Give us your opinion. How will we attract more fans for the next organization?
For next organization, everything like this is need media. And media is a bridge with the people. To give more time, to give more space in the TV, in the magazine, in the newspaper, and to let people to know more about this race, to give him more information about some technical specification, follow what we are doing, where we are coming, what the title we have it, all this information. Oh yes, this is a world champion. Yes, they are racing in Europe. They are starting now here in Greece. We are going to Norway. We go to Romania. We back to Egypt. We go to Qatar. We finish in Dubai. All this information is, oh yes, we are part of the world champion. Yeah, that's good. We follow this race. Yes, who's the world champion? From where they are coming? What the value of the boat? What the speed of the boat? What technical speed of the boat? That's what builds up
the awareness.
The awareness, and they make more exciting, and the people will come. But people do not want to come just because the noise of the engine, or they see the picture in the board and they say, okay, what is?
You are right. We understand that you had a lot of pressure since December.
Yes, we have a lot of pressure. But we like this place. To be honest with you, Greece is one of the best, beautiful places in the world for sport. And experience of the Greece is well known since they organized the Olympic Games, one of the successful organization. All these things give us a lot of advantage to come here because we believe that. Still we believe it, and still we want to come.
We want to thank you for believing in us.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure. Let's see the race.
Thank you.
Thank you.